In today's lifestyle, our day-to-days are becoming more intense with less time to enjoy downtime. You get caught up in routines with school runs, housekeeping, shopping, travelling and meetings. And by the time you get home, you collapse on the sofa, only to start catching up on your other life as a mum, dad or couple. You know you need to exercise, you know you want to get some weight off, but you keep putting it off till tomorrow, telling yourself you'll tackle it when you feel rested. But in reality, it's the start of another manic day and the decision gets delayed. You might be the type to join a gym, but after a while you don't go back. You simply might not be a gym person. You might prefer the privacy to train discreetly, to train alone. You might be housebound due to family commitments, and yet you want to exercise. Your work schedule might prevent you from attending a training session in a gym. You might want to gradually start exercising at your pace in your time. If you need to exercise to lose weight or gain muscle, or simply want to feel healthy and exercised and can't afford to buy expensive equipment, then Fitness for Hire is exactly what you're looking for. Machines are delivered to your door, fully assembled and free delivery. There's no travelling, especially on cold days. There's no disruption to your routine, which is invaluable. There's no gym membership fees. There's no car park fees. There's total privacy within your own home. And complete discretion, because Fitness for Hire is a confidential business. Choose from a 4 to 20 week rental program with the option to buy the equipment you've used at a massive saving. And with new equipment introduced annually, you are training on the best with the best. They have experts to ensure you select the right equipment, and from their range of equipment, it is positively extensive. They have a full comprehensive range, including treadmills, including medical treadmills for recuperation, as this firm specialises from hospitals to households. They have rowing machines, steppers, cross trainers, exercise bikes, spinning bikes, including commercial spinning bikes. And if you're a personal trainer, there's no outlay. You simply select what you need for your clients. You only pay for what you rent, and you hire the latest in exercise technology. So it is no wonder that this Irish firm has been annually awarded some of the industry's most coveted awards. In 2011, 2012 and in 2013, Fitness for Hire were presented with the European Rental Company of the Year, selected from 800 hire companies throughout Europe and commended for their outstanding service, customer relations, standard of equipment hire and investment in both equipment and staff. The first Irish firm ever to be awarded this, so there is no excuses and no delays. Ring this outstanding, award-winning, trusted Irish firm Fitness for Hire now on this number and welcome a healthier, better feeling you in 2014.